Automotive OEMs asked Orbia to develop a cost-effective, supply-flexible solution that meets performance and evolving regulatory needs. The new Klea Edge 444A refrigerant is a cost-effective, higher-performing, direct replacement to R-1234yf that is helping the automotive aftermarket sector meet demand, comply with regulations, and reduce service costs. Klea Edge 444A is also higher performing than R-1234yf, delivering cool air faster and improved vehicle fuel consumption through higher efficiency. Klea Edge 444A has the same mild flammability profile as R-1234yf and integrates seamlessly into systems currently using YF. The same servicing equipment, gauges and tools, including recovery, recycling and recharging service machine, can be used to replace R-1234yf with the Klea Edge 444A. Simply evacuate and recover the existing R-1234yf to the onboard tank and charge with Klea Edge 444A. Since Klea Edge 444A will work with any R-1234yf system, there is no need to make special adjustments or tweaks. The vehicle should then be labeled as containing Klea Edge 444A so that when a mechanic or technician uses a refrigerant identifier later, they will know how to interpret the results and charge the vehicle. Klea Edge 444A is an automotive aftermarket solution with low global warming potential and minimal TFA generation made from available commercial materials. With this alternative, Orbia supplies the market with a cost-effective, high-performing product that meets regulations that add supply resiliency for garages and dealerships. As the future of the industry evolves, Orbia will continue to meet our customers' unique needs. We source the fluorine raw material directly from our mine, enabling rapid innovation that's ready when our customers need it. Klea Edge 444A by Orbia is the solution the automotive aftermarket industry has been waiting for to optimize cost, performance, and regulatory compliance. Orbia, at the forefront of technology development and committed to solving our customers' most pressing needs.